right, so here we have Jessica riding bareback to learn how to maintain her independent seat. So we're just going to go ahead and pick up a sitting trot. So of course, before we ride bareback, we want to make sure we have a nice bareback horse, one with a nice round back, one that'll keep a nice relaxed rhythmic trot, such as Tink. The whole goal is not to be going forward. The goal is just to be able to sit this trot and use your aids, you know, your arms and your legs and your seat to ride the horse. So this is pretty good, right? She could go more forward. So what we like to do is to ride a little bit off of the railing, because that really makes Jessica use her aids. If we always stay riding on the railing, the rider doesn't interact as much with the horse. So she's going to stay riding off of the railing, right? Your inside leg could get a little bit more oomph in the trot. Good. And her inside active leg gets a little bit more push from Tink's hind end. Her inside rein keeps her bending, so her body's following the line of direction that she's traveling. And then the outside rein keeps the support so she doesn't fall in because she's bending her inside, okay? So this is nice, right? Keeping her on the aids.